Utilizing advanced assembly logic, the robotic arms secure the intricate left leg armor of the Avalo Pizarro skeleton. With the crown secured, the Avalo Pizarro skeleton frame is complete, marking a significant step in the final saga. Fully automated robotic arms apply the base muscle layer to the skeleton of Avalo Pizarro, the corrupt king.
The cybernetic integration is nearly complete. Utilizing a focused plasma weld, the robotic arms ensure a
The automated process meticulously reshapes the core musculature of Avalo Pizarro, enhancing his already formidable strength for the battles ahead. Here we observe the final stages of the Avalo Pizarro build. The plating is secured and the pressurized joints undergo final calibration.
The assembly line is nearing completion. The corrupt king's cybernetic eyes are installed with pinpoint precision. Ha 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 ha! Now this is fitting for a king. Ha 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 ha!